Naghinay-hinay ko para di mo lupad. Paborito kay niya mong backyard. Kini nga mga langgam. Isa na rin nabilin.
What'd you say? Oh.
Only one left.
Oh.
The other one flew away. Fly away over the mountain and over the sea.
Right. No sea around here.
Only one left. There's no sea around here. All are grounds. Grounds. What are you doing? Bird, are you eating?
Whoops.
Oh.
Oh, well, maybe that's the baby one in the front then.
No, the mom is giving the food to the baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
That's what I meant. Yes.
Yeah, the mom is looking for food and then giving to the baby.
Yes.
Oh, I wish I am a baby.
Oh.
So my mom will give me food.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, the baby is waiting for the mom.
Oh.
Okay, mom, hurry up.
Oh, I see where it is.
Look for food for your baby.
Mhm. Is he gone?
No. Behind the tulip.
Oh.
Behind the tulip. Oh.
He didn't get his toes wet even, I don't think, that one.
Yeah. I think it's gone.
Oh.
It's gone.
Where did it gun to?
Looking for food again.
Oh, there's something up in that. Oh, here it is. He came right down onto that wooden thing, the platform.
I have not seen. I have not seen any. Ah, it's over there. It's over there.
Okay. He's building a nest.
Yeah.
Or she. It's more likely to be the wife, isn't it?
Do you think that that is the wife?
Well, she
That
looks...
is the baby.
Is it? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh.
That is a baby birds. The mom is looking for food.
Right. And she's got an orange breast and can't remember what color her head is.
What's the name of that bird?
It's a robin.
Oh, it's a robin.
I think so.
Yeah, I know because common birds here in Canada are robin, but in Philippines it's Maya.
Yeah.
Maya.
That's Maya Robin.
Maya robin. That's a robin. Yeah, sometimes there's a woodpecker. I've seen the bird, the woodpecker, you know.
No, woodpecker.
Woodpecker. It's the color, different color.
Yeah, it is. Right.
She's still waiting.
Where is she?
It's on the ground.
Oh.
Ooh. And that's it. Bye-bye you.